Advisory Court in Fort Pinellas County is now in session with the Honorable Paul A. Levine, County Court Judge presiding. All those appearing before the court, raise your right hand to receive the oath and enter law, please.
You do swear or affirm that any statements you make will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes? Mr. Jonchuck, can you hear us over there?
Step up.
You folks can have a seat, thank you. Mr. Jonchuck, can you hear me? Sheriff, can you hear me?
Yes, we can, Your
All
Honor.
right, so I'm going to assume he can hear me as well. Mr. Jonchuck, you may recall last week you were in court. Judge Andrews advised you that you are being held on a murder in the first degree charge and an aggravated fleeing and eluding and an aggravated assault. The murder in the first degree charge carries a zero bond. He told you about that. I believe he also appointed Dr. Corman to talk with you. She's our staff psychologist, and I think she already did that. So today we're here to talk about who may be representing you and whether or not you hired a lawyer yet. I remember at the hearing last week there was some question as to whether or not you wanted a lawyer or you wanted to hire an attorney. Is that correct? All right. My recollection, for purposes of the record, is that he was unclear as to whether or not he was going to hire an attorney or what that situation was going to be. So, Mr. Jonchuck, do you have any questions about the process of hiring an attorney for yourself? All right. I'm going to appoint a public defender. Mr. Jonchuck has chosen to remain silent today. I think it's in his best interest, as well as the law requires me to appoint a lawyer to represent him. So I'll appoint the public defender at this time. Yes, sir. I'm going to set this for a status check, for a competency status check, February 10th at 8:30. All right, State? And what division is Judge Helen? I, in Division I. All right, so you have an attorney, Mr. Jonchuck. You're all set. They'll be over to talk to you shortly, and we'll see you February 10th at 8:30. All right? Thank you.
Okay, these are medical, and those are...
These are medical.
Yes.
All right.